India is collapsing. While everyone is busy debating on India Pakistan, 370 Act Kashmir, Hindu Muslim, CAA, NRC, NPR, and Shaheen Bagh, etc., we miss to notice what's happening to India. External debt of India $500 billion. Vodafone is in loss of 50,000 crore. Airtel is in loss of 23,000 crore. BSNL is in loss of 14,000 crore. MTNL is in loss of 755 crore. BPCL is in loss of 750 crore. SAIL is in loss of 286 crore. Air India is in loss of 4,600 crore. SpiceJet is in loss of 463 crore. Indigo is in loss of 1,062 crore. BHEL is in loss of 219 crore. India Post is in loss of 50,000 crore. GMR Infra is in loss of 561 crore. Yes Bank is in loss of 600 crore. Union Bank is in loss of 1,190 crore. PNB Bank is in loss of 4,050 crore. Axis Bank is in loss of 112 crore. JP Group finished. Videocon bankrupt. Aircel and Docomo is dead. Tata Docomo perished. Jet Airways closed. 5 airports sold out to Adani. Railways are on sale. Heritages including Red Force are renting. Many nationalized banks have merged. Many branches have literally closed. Huge numbers of ATM rooms are set down. All banks incurring huge losses. 36 largest debtors missing from country. Few corporates, rupees 2.5 lakh crores loan waived off. BSNL, 54,000 may cut more jobs of their employees. Auto industry, around 1 million to be laid off. Maruti company, largest car maker cuts production. Rupees 55,000 crores car inventory lying at factories with no buyers. 12.76 lakhs houses unsold in 30 major cities. Builders suicide. All stress, some committing suicides, no buyers, construction stopped due to MAT cost raise, GST at 18% to 28%. CCD founder VG Siddhartha committed suicide due to huge debt. HAL, no money to pay salary for their employees. ONGC, most profitable company in India is now making losses. Biscuits companies like Parle-G on the verge of terminating its employees. Millions unemployed due to demonetization. Highest unemployment in 45 years and domestic stagflation highest recorded in India. Leaving India. Record HNI individuals leaving India. Maybe many more. Nothing is shown in media. Media is busy debating India versus Pakistan and Hindu versus Muslims who were living peacefully with tranquility till recently. Thank you.